Welcome back. Today is a very special day for the nation, ladies and gentlemen. We are celebrating India's 72nd Republic Day, and we at Network 18 here are celebrating water because we know every drop counts. We are very privileged today to be joined on this waterthon by General M.M. Naravne, the Chief of Army Staff. General Naravne, thank you very, very much for being with us today. I know it's an important day for the armed forces, but you've taken time out for us as well. The army is deployed in every corner of this country, including areas that are bone dry. How does a force whose prime responsibility is combat deal with a challenge like this?
The army in one sense is just like water, essential and omnipresent.
Wow,
that being said, the army's role is not only fighting wars, but also helping in nation building. This includes taking care of our local environment. In fact, the army's mission, wherever units go and deploy, is to improve the ecology of its surrounding areas, which includes the water table. Even in operational areas, we ensure water preservation both through our units and by assisting local communities in their endeavors. Our engineers and territorial army units are deployed in a number of parched areas to ensure water availability and have in many places restored the water tables of erstwhile lakes and water bodies. As one of the largest standing armies in the world and also in possession of large stretches of land pan-India, we in the army are fully sensitive to this national cause.
General, we know that a large part of your force, at least 50,000 men right now, are deployed in eastern Ladakh. We know that that place is bone dry as well, so the challenge is a water challenge as well. Could you share with us details of any successful projects that the army has completed in recent years, projects that you particularly are proud of?
We have executed a number of water conservation projects for the benefit of our citizens, like creation of ponds, wetland rejuvenation, drain treatment and groundwater recharging. Some significant activities including revival of the Macpherson Lake at Allahabad, creation of water harvesting ponds at multiple locations in Maharashtra, Kokrajhar in Assam, Chamoli and Pithoragarh in Uttarakhand, Samba in J&K, Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, and at the Bhatti mines, Asola at Delhi. The Mercury Lake constructed by our soldiers in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, is a huge success and has reportedly recharged the groundwater by more than 100 feet in surrounding areas. Since 1982, you would have planted more than 10 crore plants covering 90,000 hectares, capturing more than 9 lakh tons of carbon credits. There is a huge scarcity of water in the world, and this scarcity is only going to increase in years to come. We are therefore duty-bound to ensure that we preserve our water resources and also take steps for recharging the same.
सर, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, सर मैं अक्षय बोल रहा हूं। जो युवा, जो यंगस्टर्स आपको अभी देख रहे हैं, उनके लिए आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे? What would you like to say to them, sir?
I wish to assure our citizens through your channel that our activities reflect an ethos of environmental awareness, and our routine in both field and peace areas stresses on the need for environmental awareness and preservation. With frequent postings and transfers, our personnel get to know the biodiversity of the nation and also carry with them traditional ecological knowledge, and wherever posted, apply the best practices like tree plantation and nurturing. This love for nature is also a function of the need for soldiers to have an eye for the ground. To all the young future leaders and water warriors watching this, I want to tell them to fight for the well-being of our planet with all their might.
True.
We in the olive greens will take care of the external threats to our country, but we need equally motivated fighters with a never-say-die attitude to preserve and conserve water. I wish them all the best and assure that the Indian Army is always there to assist them.
Thank you.
General Naravne, thank you very much for joining